Today, we are turning this into this. So, the first thing we need to do is we need to go to the shading tab, make sure we have our object selected. When you click on a new material, we can call this the player material, or something like that. And we need to add in our texture. I got this texture from LowSpec, link in the description. And I'm going to turn the roughness all the way up, but you can adjust these values to make it look like however you want to look. So change the sameness. And over here on the texture, we need to change it from linear to closest. And you'll see that it's gone all a bit weird, but that's alright. Now in UV editing, we're gonna go all the way along here by using the middle mouse button to scroll along. And we're gonna press material mode. That'll show us the colors again. So now, we're gonna get everything by pressing A. We're gonna see this UV editor with our texture. A again. S. 0. And that's gonna scale it to 0. Means you can't scale back up. And we're gonna set to like a base color, like that. As in the last episode, you can change the level of subdivision to your liking. You see, you could have it at 0, which would just make this blocky mess. I generally like it at 1, and another cool trick is you can shade smooth, and that will make it look like it has high geometry. But actually it has quite low amount of geometry. You can see the faces there. So the next thing is just kind of do what you want. What I find the best thing to do is to apply the subdivision modifier. So you can, what I find best is to apply the subdivision modifier, clicking this drop down arrow and pressing apply, making sure that it comes first. Or you could do it second, but it might not work as well. So now we can access the raw geometry, and yeah, just have fun. And I'm just going to show you how to do it real quick. So you basically just select the faces you want, you go here and you change what color you want, and it's going to mirror to the other side. So pretty simple how it works. I'm going to get to colorizing. Okay, so now I'm coming to the face. This is quite a crucial part. I'm just gonna create a new model. It's gonna be a cube. I'm gonna add a subdivision modifier. We're gonna go in edit mode. Move it to the side. Then we're gonna add a mirror. Just like that. And we can position it where the eyes would be positioned. Think about where you want the eyes, and just kind of position that where the eyes should be. Just like that. Apply the subdivision. Give it that player material. Do the same method that we did before, so scale the UVs to 0. This time we're going to set it to white. I'm going to get this middle bit. I'm going to set it to black. Maybe even a smaller bit than that. Maybe that. And now I got some eyes, which look creepy. We're gonna make those look outward a bit. And that's pretty much it for colorizing the character. And you can shade it smooth, and you'll get this effect. Or you could shade it flat. And as I say, mess around with the material however you want to, you know. Make it really shiny if you want it really shiny. You know, do whatever you want with it, really. I like having it shaded smooth like this. Anyway, so thanks for watching and subscribe for the next episode. Bye.